install Grammarly on your web browser. Just open your browser and type there Chrome Web Store. Okay, CHROME Web Store. In the search result, you will get Chrome Web Store and click on it. Type in the search bar Grammarly, Grammarly. Now you can see the Grammarly. Click on it to install in your browser. I have Brave browser, so I will add to Brave. I'll click on Add to Brave. Click on Add Extension. You will see that it is getting downloaded. Wait for it till the download completes. After the download completes, it will show you that it has been added to your browser. As you can see that Grammarly for Chrome has been added to Brave. Okay, now we have to activate it. Just click on the extension bar and click on Pin. In this section, you will have to sign up for using Grammarly. You can provide your email, password and name, and then agree and sign up. Alternatively, you can use Facebook, Google, Apple services or accounts. I'm using Google account. Now you will go to the profile section page of Grammarly. So you will have to select your work type. And now you will select here the features like spelling and grammar, sound, fluent, synonyms, clear communication type of things, and press continue. Now you can choose options, some of these options to make your content more fruitful and effective. After doing all these things, your Grammarly is now activated. As you can see, my profile name is on there. When you will be using it, you can go to your profile section. Okay, your page section. Here you can test it. As I have contents, so I have already written contents, and this content will be placed on Grammarly to check if there are mistakes. After pasting the contents, you will see that it is already showing the mistakes, the grammatical mistakes, and you can easily eliminate them. As you have pasted, that you can see that it has already marked the mistakes of yours. Just click on those word or section and apply the changes. This is so easy, so simple. Now you can see that I have made my contents more better and effective. You can see my score is now better 80, correctness is 16 left. Okay, so I'll have to make those corrections. In clarity is very clear, engagement is very engaging, and delivery is slightly off. Okay, after making all those corrections, it will improve also, I guess. So this was how to install and use Grammarly on your web browser. Thank you.